everyone and welcome to your very first Dev C++ program. I am Priyanka and in this exercise we are to write our very first Hello World program. To begin with this exercise, it's very important for us to understand the IDE. So before we begin, you are asked to start the IDE once and close it. The reason is to make sure that it is configured correctly. On the other hand, closing the IDE ensures that the configuration is stored for future use. To begin, go to Start and type dev C++. Once the icon is located, click on the app once. In order to create a new source file, go to File, New and locate for source file. Before beginning writing the code, it's very important to save the file. In order to save the file, go to File, Save As, choose an appropriate location and give it a file name. In this case, we can say Hello World. Once the file name is typed, click on Save. To begin writing the code, it's very important to start with an header file. In this case, we'll have #include iostream. In the next line, type using namespace std semicolon. Leave a line and have a int main function. Type cout angle braces in quotes hello world. And new line /n. Do not forget to place your semicolon. After that, type return 0 and semicolon. Before compiling, try to save your program. After saving your program, compile so there is no errors. It's good to run your program. Now you can see Hello World into your output window. At some point in time, it's very important to understand the walkthrough of our program. In this case, the first line of code, that is #include iostream, explains about the header file. It defines the standard input-output stream of an object. Whereas the second line using namespace std is important because the computer needs to know the code for the cout, cin functions and it needs to know which namespace they are defined. As such, a namespace is designed to overcome the difficulty and is used as an additional information to differentiate similar functions or classes or variables. On the other hand, the in-main function is important because in-main means that our function needs to retain some integer at the end of the execution and to do so by retaining 0 at the end of the program is important. In this case, in line 8, we have placed a retain 0. So why 0? Because 0 is a standard for the successful execution of our program. Thank you. Thanks for watching.